Hi everyone, I'm Ada. This is our factory, Shandong Hongtai Metal Technology. Let me show you around our factory. These are base plates. We use 55% aluminized zinc base plate. Before fitting the base plate, we clean the oil stain and iron dust by pretreatment process, so that makes the surface of the color-coated coil more flat. The paint will not follow during the post-processing, and the service life is more long. This equipment is our clearing furnace. It was built with the latest technology, and there is an accurate temperature control sensor inside to ensure that the temperature difference during heating is controlled within plus and minus 1 centigrade. Sensors and equipment. 3 more grooves tension S rollers than the general production line, which can better control the tension and ensure that it can be produced at a higher speed, which greatly improves the efficiency and production capacity.